Hey, boys and girls, we are going to read a story today about a sneeze. Achoo! Have you ever had to sneeze and you try not to, but it comes out anyway? Sometimes the pollen outside can flare up our allergies and make us sneeze. Sometimes we catch a cold and we have to sneeze. Sometimes the room's really dusty and it causes us to sneeze. Today we're going to read a book called The Flea's Sneeze. Let's see what happens. It's by Lynn Downey. That means that's the person who wrote the story. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, except the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, ah! It scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed, "Arr!" It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, "Moo, moo." It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, "Caw!" It daunted the dog, who barked, "Hoo, hoo!" and sprayed the hog, who screamed, "Arr!" and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that night, dark, dark night, on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've gotta sneeze. I don't think they're going to have a very restful night, do you? Have a great day, boys and girls.